A very good morning to one and all. Today again we will start in detail to understand the functionality of sort function, how sorted function differs with sort in Python, and few more built-in functions. As shown in the syntax, sort function takes two parameters. One is reverse equal to true or false and another one is key equal to my function. Actually both these parameters are optional to your sort function. Whenever you don't mention reverse as well as key values, by default your sort function sort all the list elements in ascending order. Suppose if our intention is to sort all the elements in descending order, then we will say reverse equal to true. Suppose if our intention is to write our own function based on the functionality, if we want to sort our list elements, then we need to use key equal to my function. The usage of these two parameters will be seen in below examples. First we will start with default functionality of sort function. In an example, if you see, cars is a list which is having three elements: Ford, BMW, Volvo. If I call sort function on list element, that is cars, then in an output we can see that BMW, Ford and Volvo. Because as we have discussed in our earlier video, our sort function sorts all the list elements in an ascending order. Hence, we can see output as BMW, Ford, Volvo. If my intention is to reverse my list elements in descending order, then what I will say is reverse equal to true. In next example, take again same list cars which is having same three elements: Ford, BMW, Volvo. This time, while calling sort function on list element, that is cars dot sort, along with that I am saying reverse equal to true. Hence, our list elements are sorted in descending order, which is shown in output, that is Volvo, Ford, BMW. Now as I have stated, even our sort function can take our own defined function. Based on that it will sort. If you see below example, here my function is taking one parameter e, and whatever parameter we are passing to the my function, it will calculate length of that particular parameter and it will return to the main program. Hence, if you see, my list cars is having four elements: Ford, Mitsubishi, BMW, VW. And as we are assigning while calling sort function key equal to my function, on each list element my function is called. As our function is calculating length of each parameter, it will return length of 4 to 4, Mitsubishi to 10, BMW 3, VW as 2. As I have not used reverse format for parameter, by default it will sort all the elements in an ascending order based on length of each element. As length of VW is smallest, hence VW, afterwards BMW is 3, and afterwards length of Ford is 4, at the end Mitsubishi is taking 10. Hence if you observe output, we have seen VW, BMW, Ford, Mitsubishi, because our my function is calculating length of each parameter which we have passed. And as per our list elements, VW is the smallest element, hence it is printing first, then BMW, then Ford, then Mitsubishi. Similarly, along with my function, if I use reverse equal to true and along with key equal to my function, as we have stated in this case, our elements will be sorted in a descending order. Hence, if you see output, it is exactly reverse of our earlier program. In an output, we can see Mitsubishi is the first element, then Ford, then BMW, then VW. Because this time we are asking our sort function to perform sorting operation and sort all the list elements in descending order. Similarly, in next example, my function is taking parameter and based on year, it is sorting all the elements. When I call sort function on cars object and if I assign key equal to my function, as per our list element 2000 is the lowest value, afterwards 2005, afterwards 2011, then finally 2019. Accordingly, we can see output. First it is printing car equal to Mitsubishi year 2000 because 2000 is the smallest, and our defined function is sorting elements based on year. Then car Ford year 2005, car VW year 2011, at the end car BMW year 2019. In this example, we are sorting all list elements based on year. Hence, it is displaying output in an ascending order 2000, 2005, 2011, 2019. In our next example, our defined function take second is taking parameter and it is returning value of the first index. If you observe our list elements, each list element is having two values and random is name of the list. It is containing 4 elements with values 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 1, 3. As our element which we are passing to our function take second, it is sorting elements based on the second value of each element. Hence, as per our example, our first element second value is 2, our second element second value is 4, our third element second value is 1, and similarly our last element second value is 3. As we are not calling reverse equal to true, our expectation is to sort all the elements in ascending order. If we see each element second value, we will come to know that 1 is the list, afterwards 2, afterwards 3, afterwards 4. And 1 is present in third element. Hence, in an output, we can see that 4, 1 is displayed first. Afterwards 2, 2, then 1, 3, finally 3, 4. Because our function takes second sort all the elements based on their second values. We can also use Python's built-in function sorted for sorting the list element. The simplest difference between sort and sorted is sort doesn't return any value, whereas our sorted function returns an iterable list and it will not modify our original list elements. We will see in below example. And sort function doesn't return any value, which we have discussed in our earlier video with an example while discussing sort function. If you observe this function, here I am saying t equal to dceba, and whenever I am saying t dot sort, and if I want to store return value of sort function, it always returns none, because the return value of sort function is void. Whereas our sorted function returns the modified value. We will see examples here. Again, if you see, our sorted function is taking 3 parameters or arguments. One is iterable, second is key equal to key, third one is reverse equal to reverse. Iterable is required one because our sorted function works on the iterable which we are passing. Key and reverse are optionable, and the meaning of these two are same as we have discussed with sort function. We will see an example. A equal to B, G, A, D, F, C, H, E. Our current list A is having elements A to H. After that, if I call sorted function on iterable A, it will return modified or sorted list that will be stored in X. As we have stated, it will not modify elements in original list. That is, the list A is having same elements in a list, whereas X is another list variable which will be having all the sorted elements of your list elements A. Hence, when I print X as well as A, we can clearly see here in X all the sorted elements are stored from A to H, whereas your original list A is still having elements in the same position. Similarly, if we call sorted function on the same A by using reverse equal to true, as we have discussed, all the elements will be sorted in a reverse order. Hence, in an output it is shown that H to A. As second element, if we take key equal to any function if we assign, that is shown in our second example. Definition, take second element and we want to return element of 1, or we want to sort all list elements based on the second value of each element in a list. If you observe elements of list in random, we are having 4 elements with values 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 1, 3. When we call sorted function on random and if we say key equal to take second, as we have discussed, it will store all the sorted values in random 1 and random original list is unmodified. Hence, in an output we can see that original list is as it is, whereas sorted list is printing 4, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4. Because all these elements are sorted based on the second value of each element. I hope we have understood difference between sort and sorted. The functionality of both are same, whereas sort function is not returning anything and sorted list unmodifies your original list, and whatever modification it does with respect to your list elements, it will be stored in another list variable.